Now for the last example, let's make a lamp react to sound. Let's just use a sample here. I'm going to use a drum sample like this, and it sounds like this. Okay, so we're going to measure the loudness of this sound, and then use it to control. Let's just stick to the red channel of one of the lamps. So to measure the loudness of the level, we're going to use an object called meter tilde. And this will only work if you turn on the audio. So our object was called meter tilde. From meter we can get a value. So to read this value we're using a float object, F for float. So we can read the decimals. So now it looks like this. And we want to send it to the red channel of the lamp, so that will be CC0. CTL out, A was our port, and then 0. This number is way too small to be between 127. It will work, but it's just the light will be so vague that we can't really see it, so we'll have to multiply it up to get a good value that will light up our lamp. So we're going to multiply our value with a float number. Just write 0 dot, then it will work with decimals, or else it will just throw out the decimals and it will not work. And we want to see the value that comes out, so we can see it here. And then we're using another float here to multiply the value up to just a value that's big enough for our lamp to actually light up. So I'm just going, this will just be trial and error. So I'm going to turn this on, and now the value is 0. When I turn it up here, I'm just going to loop it. You can see I get a bigger value, and I can see my lamp is starting to light up, and I'll just have to just multiply it to a value that I think this looks good. Okay, so let's just do the same thing with our second lamp. So let's make the green channel of our second lamp light up. So R would be 3, green would be 4. And now I have 2 lamps.